In this video, you'll learn how to make Google Docs automatically capitalize the beginning of your sentences so you don't have to fix them manually every time. This is a simple setting, but once it's turned on, it can save you a lot of small corrections and help keep your documents looking polished and professional. Let's start by opening Google Docs. Go ahead and sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Then open your browser and go to Google Docs. You can either create a brand new document or open an existing one. It doesn't matter which document you use for this because the setting we're about to change applies across Google Docs for your account, not just a single file. Once you have a document open, look toward the top of the screen for the menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. What you're interested in here is the Tools menu. Click on Tools to open a drop-down list of options. From that list, find and click on Preferences. This will open a small settings window in the middle of your screen. The Preferences window is where Google Docs keeps several automatic formatting options that can speed up your writing, and auto capitalization is one of them. Inside this Preferences window, you'll see a list of checkboxes with different features you can turn on or off. Look for the option labeled Automatic Capitalization. This is the setting that tells Google Docs to automatically capitalize the first letter of a sentence when you start typing after a period, a question mark, or other typical sentence ending punctuation. To enable this feature, make sure the checkbox next to automatic capitalization is turned on. If it's empty, click it once so a check mark appears. If you notice it's already checked, that means the feature is already enabled and you don't need to change anything. After you've turned on automatic capitalization, confirm the change by clicking OK or Save at the bottom of the Preferences window, depending on what you see. The window will close and you'll be taken back to your document. Now, let's quickly test that it's working. In your document, type a short sentence and end it with a period. Then press the space bar and start typing your next sentence. As soon as you type the first letter of the new sentence, Google Docs should automatically change that letter to a capital. If that happens, you know the setting is working correctly. If you ever decide you don't want this behavior, you can follow the exact same path. Open the Tools menu, click Preferences, and then uncheck Automatic Capitalization. This is helpful if you're working on content where automatic changes might get in the way, such as code snippets or very specific stylistic writing. And that's all there is to it. You've now set up Google Docs to automatically capitalize your sentences, which can help tidy up your writing and reduce the number of small edits you need to make.